Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are getting the error cannot verify payment information, so here are some possible fixes. First of all, open the App Store on your mobile device. Inside the App Store, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. There, simply tap on your name at the top, and once you tap on your name, you can see country/reason option available there. Simply tap on it. After a few moments, you will get to see change country or region option available on your screen. Simply tap on it. Then, once you tap on it, you will get to see a long list of countries option available on your screen again. From there, scroll down and tap on the country your payment information is from. Now, once you do so, you'll be navigated to the terms and conditions. Tap on the Agree button available at the top right corner of your screen and agree to these terms and conditions. Now here you'll have to enter your payment method and enter your all personal information like address, phone number on the below. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.